Alright guys, you can't see it, but right here, there's like a pool of water. A river, actually, of water is going down this entire mountain right now. This is New York weather. Yeah, you can see it, but right there. You see that? That's a nice little stream, a little gushing stream you got going on down there. That's the weather right now. We've had some heavy rain. I think this is the heaviest rainstorm we have had, I want to say, this year. I know it's definitely the heaviest rainstorm we've had the entire summer. I can't remember that far back. But I know in the summer season, we're out of the summer now, officially. But this is like the heaviest rainstorm we have had the entire summer. Oh, look at the water coming down the hill. Now that's pretty. I'm sorry, but that's beautiful. Look at that. Look. Guys, look at this. Oh my God. Look. Look. It's coming over. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. It's coming down the mountain. This is incredible. All right, that makes it official. This is the biggest. Wow. This is the biggest storm we have had in New York this year. Look at that! Woo! This is something else, y'all. The water is I'm telling you, you gotta, even over there in the emergency sections, there are none. Y'all, this is a trip. Look at how much water is over here. This is just water, y'all. This is the amazing thing about nature. It's just water. But it can do so much awesomeness. But also, listen, you can hear it. You got, that's not even the wind, that's the water. That is this water over there. Look at that. You got a rushing torrent, like right over there in the emergency section over there too. This is incredible. It had not rained this much. I mean, this is like a huge concentration of rain that must have just been stored up in these clouds for like an entire 3-4 months. Because the humidity level in New York City has been awful. But we have not had rain like this. Look at that right here. Here it comes. Look at that. Look at that going off the highway. We have not, this makes it official. We have not had a rainstorm. We've had a few thunderstorms, but this is like one of those tropical storms that when it hits an island, it'll like submerge everything. We have not had a storm like this in New York this whole year. This is something you see over there on the other side. It was so funny. Our side was like that, going up, and now it's like that going back down. So I don't know how it's going to be later. Probably going to have to find another way down. So we're on I-87 with this right now. But this is incredible, you guys.